Bangkok's most underrated hidden gem bar, just steps from BTS Saladang. You know where bar is a sleek speakeasy tucked inside Silom, wrapped in moody lighting and chic minimalist interiors. It's the kind of place where every night feels intimate, stylish, and a little mysterious. Sip on playful yet polished cocktails, from creative signature mixes to refined twists on the classics. With good music, laid-back beats, and bartenders crafting drinks exactly to your taste, the vibe strikes the perfect balance between comfort and sophistication. A true hidden gem in the heart of vibrant Bangkok. If you're looking for somewhere new to explore, you know where BKK Bar is the place. Don't miss it if you love cocktails with serious vibes.